Hello students, today we will learn Bodmas. So actually we generally say it's a Bodmas, but it's a V Bodmas. So I am Engineer Rakesh Kumar Thakur. We are running a school, Academy Edu, School of Computational Mathematics, class 6 to 12, in which we will deal with the future machinery and technologies. A student who is research interested, who is interested in research and in higher mathematics, they can call us for the schooling. And there's a main thing in this school is that we prepare the student in a way that make them so eligible to be placed after class 12th. Generally what happen after class 12th and graduation, generally when from other schools like government school and private school, they don't give us placement and they just you have a certificate after passing 12th and graduation. But from our school, we make our students that much knowledgeable so that they can join a particular job and make their career in particular field. So move to the this video Bodmas. See, so it's a completely V Bodmas. V Bodmas. What stands for V? V is vernaculum. V stands for vernaculum. So what is this vernaculum? Like I write 3 plus 2 minus 5 and I made a vernaculum over here. Then it means we need to do this one first, means 2 minus 5 first, right? After this, this B means bracket. So what is bracket? There are three types of bracket: small bracket, mid bracket, and large bracket. We use bracket to separate two operations. Like we can't write 3 plus minus 5. So we use a bracket to separate them, to operate some operation, right? O4 of D4 divide, M4 multiply, A4 add, S4 subtract, right? So whenever we have involved many operation together in an equation, suppose we have 3 of 2 divide 5 minus 2 plus 5. Now what is we need, and suppose there is a vernaculum. What we do first? We can't start from this side 3 of 2. No. Here we first operate vernaculum, then bracket, then off, then divide, then multiply, add and subtract. In this way. We can't start from starting like 3 of 2, we write 6. No. This is wrong way. Right? So whenever there are two or more operation symbol, operation means this plus, minus, divide, these are the operations. So when two operator and operations, these are generally called operators, mathematical operator. So when two operator sign come together, we use Bodmas to solve them, right? So let's move and try to solve this. Now see, question number 1. 3 minus 2 plus 5. What would be the answer? So what we need to do, we need to learn a formula. Plus, what we do and what is the sign. Whenever there is a plus, we do plus. Means if plus 5 plus 6, answer is plus 11. Plus, so we added and sign plus. Minus is always plus, but we apply minus sign. How? Suppose we have minus 6 minus 5. So minus minus plus, we need to add it, 11. But we put a negative sign here, minus 11. Plus minus. When we have two different signs, we do minus and we put the sign which is greater. For example, if I write minus 13 plus 5. So here there are different sign, minus and plus. So what it minus plus. So what we do, minus. So we subtract 5 minus 13. Out of 13 we subtract this 5. So 13 minus 5 we get 8. And sign, we apply sign which one is greater. So 13 is minus, 5 is plus. Which one is greater? 13 is greater na. So we write here minus 8. Right? So plus plus plus, apply a plus sign. Minus minus 2 plus 6 5 11, but apply a minus sign. Plus minus minus, but apply a minus sign which is greater. Suppose we have 8 plus 18 minus minus 9 plus 18. What we need to do here? So two different sign, we need to minus. So minus 9 from this 18. Greater, always subtract a smaller number from greater number. So 18 minus 9, we have 9. Then it's come to sign. So which sign we apply here? So which one is greater? 18 is greater. So we will apply here a positive sign. Right? So this is your formula. Write this formula on a page and stick it around your study table and learn it in the morning and one time in evening. In 3 to 4 days you get remembered it. Right? So now this is our question and we need to solve it. So what we do? First we do plus na. So minus 2 plus 5. There is two different sign. What we will do? We will do minus, plus minus minus. So 5 minus 2, we get a 3. And sign, which one is greater? Plus 5, plus is greater. So we write here a plus sign. Now 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 is your answer. Let's another question. Question number 2. 5 plus 6 minus 19 minus 6. What is the answer? Let's solve it. So first we add this one, 6 plus 5, 11. Then we have a 19. So this one is 11. There is no sign here now, so it's a plus. So plus minus minus. So 11 minus 19. We get minus 8. Why? 19 minus 11, 8. And this is a negative. 19 is greater, so we wrote a put a negative sign here. Then bring this minus 6. So minus minus is plus. 8 plus 6, 14. And sign, minus minus plus, sign, we apply a negative sign. So here is a negative sign. So this is minus 14 is the answer. Let's move to another question. This is our question. Let's solve it. So first what we need to do, see, in case of if you have only plus minus, you can start from here also, like this one, plus minus minus. So 18 minus 6, we get at how much? 12 here, but there is a positive sign because 18 is greater. Then this negative 19. So 19 minus 12, we get a minus 7 here, plus this 20. So 20 minus 7, we get 13 here, right? And sign is positive because 20 is greater. So 13 is the answer. Now this question number 2, we write like suppose we have a question. So this is a question on your computer screen. Let's do it by your own. Then so please pause the video and try to do it. Let's see how I am doing it. First these two number, so minus minus is plus, So 15 plus 6 is 21, and there is a negative sign here. Minus minus plus, and sign is negative. Now this 5 will come here. So minus and plus. We have minus, so 21 minus 5 is 16. But we put a negative sign here because 21 is greater and it is a negative number. Now take this minus 6 here. So minus minus plus, so it's a 22, and there is a negative sign. Minus minus plus, but sign is negative. Now bring this plus 11 here. So now we have minus and plus. So minus plus minus. So 21 minus 11 is 11, and put a negative sign here because this 22 is negative. Now this is your answer, right? Let's give to let's do another question. Hopefully you got it right. If you fail to do it, don't worry, try once again, you will got it. Now you have another question, this one. So see how we will do it. So first you try to solve it by pausing the video. Now see, I am doing it for you. So minus plus is minus, right? So 11 minus 5, we have a 6, and this is a plus sign because 11 is greater, so we will write a plus sign here. Then we have a minus 6 here. So plus and minus of the same number. See, this is a plus number, this is a minus number, and both are same. So plus minus minus, 6 minus 6, 0. So whenever we get a same number, plus and minus, we will cut it and put a 0 here. Now we will have this plus 6, so we get a 6. Then this minus 8, 6 minus 8. So if there is no sign here, there is a plus. So plus minus minus. So 8 minus 6, we have 2, but there is a negative sign here because 8 is greater. So this is minus 2 is your answer. Minus 2 is your answer. Okay. Let's move to another question. So we have these questions on your computer screen. So question number 1 is this one. Now try to solve it. Answer. So 3 of 1 by 9. So what is the meaning of off? Off means multiply. So don't put a multiply sign at the place of off. Always keep off there, but keep in your mind this is a multiply. So 3 multiply 1 by 9. So 3 cancel. We do 9 multiply like this one. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So this one is 1 by 3. Similarly here we have 3 by 2 of 2 by 6. So what is the meaning of off? Multiply. So 3 2 ja 6. This 2 cancel. So we have 1 upon 2. So finally you got that off means multiply, but I request you don't put multiply sign at the place of off. Otherwise you may got confused in many circumstances. So keep in mind that this is a multiply sign, or you can write a small multiply, right? So do this question. 5 by 6 of 6 by 2. So this 6 cancel. We left with here is a 5, here is a 2. So 5 upon 2. Now see this question. 3 9 ja 27, 9 cancel. So here there is a 9. In denominator we have 1. So 9 is the answer. So off means multiply, right? Now let's jump to the brackets. See, before doing brackets, we have another information. We have another information for this one. So keep it in mind, this formula. What is this? Say plus multiply plus. If we multiply a plus with a plus, you will do the multiplication, but sign is always plus. Like plus 3 multiply plus 6, we will get 6 3 ja 18 and a positive sign here, right? So plus multiply plus, right? Then come minus multiply minus. What happen if you multiply to minus? You will get a plus sign. Like minus 6 multiply minus 3. So minus 6 3 ja 18, and we will get minus minus plus sign here, right? Plus 18 is the answer. If we have two different sign like plus, multiply, minus, we will put a minus sign here. Like minus 6 multiply 3 minus, and here there is no sign, so this is a plus here. So 6 3 ja 18, but plus minus minus. So in multiplication, plus multiply always plus sign, minus multiply minus is a plus sign, minus multiply plus, two different sign. When you multiply two different sign, you will get a minus here, right? Okay, so let's move towards brackets. Now see this question. So please note down the question on your notebook. Now see how we will do this. So we have here three brackets: small bracket, mid bracket and big bracket. So always we first solve a small bracket, then mid bracket, and in last we will solve a, do it again. This 8 minus 2, we will left with 6. So 6 and multiply this 2. We will, now we have 6 minus 8 minus 6 minus 2 multiply 6. So now we will multiply first 6 into 2, 12. So we have 6 minus 8 and minus 6 and minus 12. Now we have 12 plus 6, 18. 6 minus 8, but this is minus 18, right? Now open the bracket, 6 minus 8, and here there are multiply minus 18. So 18 into 8, 6 plus 8, 18 8 ja 144, and there is a positive sign because minus minus plus, right? So 144 is here. So it's a 150 is the answer. Okay, 150 is your answer. Now if I will do it in examination hall, how will I do it? See here what I will do it there. There is no need to explain these things. See, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 2 are 12, so minus 12, minus 12 minus 6, minus 18, 18, then there is a multiply, so 18 8 ja 144, and this is a plus, 6 plus 144 is 150. In examination we will do this, right? But I explained this one for to help you to know the solution, right? Move to the next question. Here we have this question. So please note down the question in your copy and try to solve it. Pause the video. Now see, I am doing it for you. So first what we will do, we open the inner bracket. So minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 minus minus plus, there is a minus sign. Then this bracket get open, then we get a multiply here, right? So we have here plus 2 multiply minus 8 to 8 to just 16. This is a minus 16 here, right? So now we have, see what we have, 6 divide 3 and minus 6 to ja or minus 16 here, right? 6 to 8, then 8 to ja 16, but is a minus sign because this minus plus minus. Now do this. So first we multiply here. So what we will get, minus 12, and then this minus 16. So minus minus plus, we will get 28, but is a minus. So now we have minus 6 divide 3 multiply minus 28, right? So now first what we need to do, we need to divide it, right? When all the brackets are open, then first what we will do, division. So divide first. So 6 divide 3, and here there is a minus 28, right? 3 2 ja 6, multiply 8 2 ja 16, there is a 1, 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5, so it's a minus 56 is your answer. Got it? So here we saw how we open, there is a equation in which plus minus involved, when off is involved, when there is a plus, and when there is a bracket, right? So in the next video we will do simplification, and in the simplification we will see how the question from the Bodmas comes in exam, right? So follow your schedule, do daily study and revision. When there is a problem, feel to say to us, That's sir, here I am getting problem here. So thank you for watching this video. Next video, please watch the next video for simplification. Thank you.